Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine. In today's video we are going to talk about how we can create a video entirely with the use of artificial intelligence. So for the purpose of this tutorial we are going to work with a tool that is called Invideo. So to get access to this tool you can just use the link below this video and you will have access to the tool on a web browser. So once you get inside the tool, you will be on a page that looks pretty much like this. You will have to enter your email right here in order to sign up. Once it's all done, you will be on a page like this one right here. So how exactly does this tool work? It's pretty simple. It's a little bit like ChatGPT. So you enter a prompt and you will have a video that will be generated. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to generate a 10 minutes video. So to be able to generate a video, well, it's pretty much you have two models that you can use. You can use the version 1 model, or you can use the version 2 model, so it supports more than one language. As you can see here, it's written in French, so it supports way more than just one language. Also, what's cool with this tool is that you can generate pretty much any length of videos that are possible with as many voices as you want, the duration that you want as well, about the topic that you want, and also it will use stock videos in order to generate your video. This means that you can use your video and upload it on YouTube or any other platform. So let's have a quick example with a prompt that we are going to enter here. So for the purpose of this tutorial, once again, we are going to create a video about nature. So let's say generate me a 10 minutes video of about the Amazon rainforest. Make it interesting and in the format of a documentary. So as you can see here, we have a really simple prompt that we are going to use for our video. So what we're gonna do right now is just click on the button generate video. So what's gonna happen is that the tool will analyze the request. It will give us a few questions that we will have to answer, and from that moment it will generate us a video. So as you can see here right now, it's still analyzing what we have asked from it, and then we'll have to answer those questions. As I said a little bit earlier, what's nice is that you can generate not only 10 minutes video, but you can generate TikToks of 1 minute. You can generate way longer videos, so that's really, really nice. So as you can see here, you have a few questions. So first of all, who is your audience? We have students, documentary lovers, nature enthusiasts. So you really choose how you want it to look and feel, the platform where you want to add your, where you want to post the video. So it's really up to you to choose what exactly you want to do with your content. Once it's all done, what you want to do next is simply click on the continue button, and what's going to happen is that the video will be generated. Once the video has been created, it will look something like this. So as you can see, this video is 9 minutes and 48 seconds. It's about the Amazon rainforest as we requested it. So you should have a pretty much same video. Now what's cool is that if you're not satisfied with the video, you can modify it as well. So by simply clicking on the edit button right here, you'll be able to change things directly inside of your video. So for example, right here, there are stock photos or stock videos, as I said. And let's say you want to change one of those stock videos, where you will be able to do that simply by clicking on the 3 buttons right here and adding your own stock video that you want to use. If you want to edit the script, you can simply click on the script button right here. And as you can see, there is pretty much anything that you can edit. So you can edit the narrator, you can edit the text that is here, you can edit pretty much anything that you want. And as you can see, this is the whole 10-minute script. There is more than one narrator, of course, you can change it. So it's really up to you to decide. Finally, you can also edit the music. So they have a music library that you can add, and if you want to change the music that is inside of your video. So this is a little bit a more complex format to edit your video, but the easier way to do it is simply by giving a command to your to the AI. So those are some examples of command. Delete the second chapter, make this chapter half as long, change current stock to a video drone shot of a forest, for example. So those are a few examples. And then you simply click on the generate button and you will have your video generated. Finally, once you're satisfied with your video, you can simply click on the download button right here and you will be able to export your video in the format, in the MP4 format, and then we'll be able to post it pretty much anywhere that you want. So by clicking on the download button, you will have your video in this format right here. So as you can see, there I have my video. So here it is, in a long format video generated, as you can see right there. So I'll just make it big screen. Here we go, and I can just click on the play button. So I'm not gonna do it because it's gonna lag a little bit, but it looks something like this. So as you can see, this is pretty much the video that you will be able to generate. Of course, if you have followed this tutorial and did it at the same time as me, you should have pretty much not the same result, but you should have a result that is similar to mine, and a 10-minute video that has been entirely generated with AI that you can post on your own YouTube channel. So once again, if you have found value in this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.